last class we learned about nth term of arithmetic progression. Okay, nth term of AP. Nth term of AP. What is the formula? All of you know. What is the formula arithmetic progression nth term? A plus n minus 1 into d. A plus n minus 1 into d. Okay. What is A? A is the first term. What is n? N is the number of terms. N is the number of terms and d is the common difference. Okay. Common difference find out in the formula second term minus first term or third term minus second term. Or fourth term minus third term. All of you know this? Clear? Nth term. So A7 നമുക്ക് ഇങ്ങനെ എക്സ്പ്രസ് ചെയ്യാം. A7 എക്സ്പ്രസ് ചെയ്യുന്നത് എങ്ങനെയാണ്? പഠിച്ചില്ലേ? A7 is equal to A plus 6d. അപ്പോൾ A7 is equal to A plus 6d. അപ്പോൾ A100th term എക്സ്പ്രസ് ചെയ്യുന്ന A100 is equal to A plus n minus 1 into d. Our formula A plus 100 minus 1 into d. That is A plus, what is 100 minus 1? 90, 90. Okay. So A 100 term A plus 90, 90. So in the term related problems on the last classes discuss here. Okay. So next problem. Next question. Exercise 5.2 third one. Exercise 5.3 third question. Third question. In the following APs, find the missing terms in the boxes. In the following APs, find the missing terms in the boxes. The first one, 2, box, 26. 2, box, 26. But in the following APs, it is an AP. All of you, it is an AP. So you find out the missing number. Find out the missing number. Okay. So listen, here 2 is the first term. 2 is the first term. A is equal to 2. Clear? A is equal to 2. Then 26 first term, second term, 26 third term. So A3 equal to 26. Clear? A3 equal to 26. So A3 express in A plus 2d. So A plus 2d equal to 26. What is A? A2. So 2 plus 2d equal to 26. Then 2d equal to 26 minus 2. Okay, clear? That is equal to what is 26 minus 2? 24. Then d equal to multiplication by load of division now. So 24 divided by 2, that is equal to 12. So d is equal to 12. Okay? So find out the missing term, that is second term, find out the missing term, second term. So box find out that is equal to second term. Okay, second term. So second term find out here formula area. First term plus common difference. Second term is first term plus common difference. That is A plus D, means A plus 1D. Okay, A plus D, 1D. Okay, so what is A? A is 2. What is D? 12. 2 plus 12, 14. So what is the answer? Box in answer. So 24. Clear? Any doubts? So 2, box, 26, A2, A3, 26, A3 again express here, A plus 2D equal to 26. Then A2, so 2 plus 2D 26, 2 right order minus 2 out, D equal to 26 minus 2, 24, then D equal to 24 by 2, 12. So A is equal to 2, D 12. നമുക്ക് second term ആണ് find out ചെയ്യേണ്ടത്. So box equal to second term ആണ്. അപ്പോൾ second term find out ചെയ്യണം formula A plus 1D ആണ് അല്ലേ. So A plus 1D means A plus D. Sorry, A2 plus D 12. Okay. Clear? Second question. Second question. Box, 30, box, 3. These numbers are in AP. Okay, these numbers are in AP. You find out the missing terms. So here, first, second term is given and fourth term is also given. Okay, in the AP, second term is given and fourth term is given. So A2 equal to 13. Okay, and A4 equal to 3. So A2 equal to 13 and A4 equal to 3. A2 express in A2 A plus D. A plus 1D, that is A plus D equal to 13. Equation number 1. Okay, then A4 express in A plus 3D. A plus 3D equal to 3. Equation number 2. Okay, these are two linear equation. All of you know linear equation. These are two linear equations. Here the variables are A and D. A method solve ചെയ്യാം, elimination method solve ചെയ്യാം. Okay, solving A and D. So solving elimination method 1 minus 2 find out ചെയ്യാം. അപ്പോൾ A eliminate ആവും. A minus A 0. D minus 3D minus 2D. Minus 2D is equal to 13 minus 3 10. Clear അല്ലേ? 13 minus 3 10. Then D is equal to 10 divided by minus 2, that is equal to minus 5. D is equal to minus 5. Then here first day find out, first day find out, put D equal to minus 5 equation do it. So put D equal to minus 5 in equation 1. Put D equal to minus 5 in equation 1, that is A plus D minus 5. Okay, D minus 5 equal to 13. Then A equal to 13 plus 5, that is equal to 18. So first box, what is the answer? First term is 18. Okay, so next find out the third term. Third term formula, express the formula A plus 2D. Third term A plus 2D, that is what is A? What is A? 18. 18 plus 2 into D. What is D? D minus 5. So 18 plus minus 10, what is the answer? 8. Okay, so 8 is the third term. So listen, here two terms are given, second term and fourth term. Second term again express A plus D. O plus 1D means A plus D equal to 13. Fourth term 3 ആണ്. Fourth term A plus 3D 3. These are two linear equations. Here the variables are A and D. നമുക്ക് solve by using elimination method. 1 minus 2, A minus A 0, D minus 3D minus 2D, 13 minus 3, 10. Then D equal to 10 divided by minus 2 equal to minus 5. Then put D equal to minus 5 in equation 1. So A plus D plus minus 5 equal to 13, A equal to 13, minus 5 I will write plus 5. So I am going to find out the next box, a third box, A3. So A3 is A plus 2D, that is 18 plus A 18. Okay, 18 plus 2 into D, D minus 5. What is 2 into minus 5 minus 10? 18 plus minus 10, 8. So last write down, last box, first box 18, comma, next 13, comma, next box answer 8, last 3. Answer. Clear? Okay, next question, okay, next question, third one. Third question. 5 box, comma, next box, comma, next 9.5. So here first term and fourth term is given. Okay, first term and fourth one is given. You have to find out second and third term. So here A is equal to 5. First term is 5. Clear? And also given fourth term, A4 is given, it is 9.5. It is a mixed fraction, you have to convert improper. Okay, all of you know to convert improper. So 9 into 2, 18, 18 plus 1, 19. That is 19 divided by 2. Okay, so 9.5, convert improper, that is 9 into 2, 18, 18 plus 1, 19, 19 by 2. So here by A4 express A plus 3D. A4 express A plus 3D equal to 19 by 2. Clear? What is A? 5 plus 3D. 5 plus 3D equal to 19 by 2. Then 3D equal to 19 by 2 minus 5. 3D equal to 19 by 2 minus 5. That is equal to, cross multiplication ചെയ്യാം. 2 is the 2 into 1, 2. അല്ലേ? Then 19 minus 10. So what is 19 minus 10 is equal to 9 by 2. 9 by 2. Okay. So 3D equal to 9 by D equal to 9 by 2 divided by 3. Okay, clear? 3D equal to 9 by 2. You have to find out D. D equal to 9 by 2 multiply the 3 right side about division. 9 by 2 divided by 3. That is equal to 9 by 2 into It is a fraction dividend the fraction the reciprocal on multiply. What is the reciprocal of 3? 1 by 3. So the answer is 3 and 9 cancel 1 3. That is 3 by 2. The 3 by 2 is the common difference. 3 by 2 is the common difference. First find out second day. First find out second day, that is a plus d. A plus d, that is a how much? 5 plus d. What is d? 3 by 2. So that is cross multiplication 1 into 2, 2, 10 plus 3. That is 13 by 2. Okay, 13 by 2 in a mixed load convert cheyumbom namukku answer mixed load 13 by 2 mixed load convert cheya 13 divided by 2. 6 2s are 12, remainder 1. So 6 1 by 2. Okay, then next find out in the third type. A3 find out cheyanam. A3 a plus 2d. That is equal to a. A how much? 5 plus 2 into d, 3 by 2. Clear? These 2 and 2 cancel, that is equal to 8. Okay, 5 plus 3 equal to 8. The last 5 comma box. What is the first box answer? First box answer 6 1 by 2. Comma. Next 8. Next box answer 8. Last one 9 and a half. Okay, listen please. Here 5 comma box comma 9 and a half. Here first term is 5 and fourth term is 9 and a half. So 9 and a half is mixed one. Improper akunu. So 9 into 2 18. 18 plus 1 19 by 2. So a plus 3d. Fourth day expressing a plus 3d equal 19 by 2. A 5 ആണ്. ഈ 5 right load 19 by 2 minus 5. Cross multiply 2 into 1 2. 19 minus 10. What is 19 minus 10? 9 by 2. Then 3d ആണ് 9 by 2. Then d find out ചെയ്യാൻ 9 by 2 divided by 3. Then fraction divide ചെയ്യാൻ reciprocal multiply. So 9 by 2 into 1 by 3 അല്ലേ? ഇവിടെ 3 reciprocal 1 by 3. ഈ 3 9 cancel 3 വരും 3 by 2. So d equal to 3 by 2. Next find out second time find out ചെയ്യുന്ന formula a plus d. So a 5 plus d 3 by 2. So cross multiplication 1 into 2 10 plus 3, that is 13 by 2. 13 by 2 നമ്മൾ മിക്സഡ് ആക്കുമ്പോൾ 6 1 by half. Here divide ചെയ്യുക 6 1 6 ആദ്യം quotient, then remainder. Okay, then the denominator same denominator 6 1 by 2. Next a3 formula a plus 2d, that is a 5 plus 2 into d 3 by 2. 2 2 cancel, then 5 plus 3, what is 8. Clear? Next question, fourth one. Fourth one, minus 4 comma box comma box comma box comma box comma 6. Minus 4 comma box comma box comma box comma box comma 6. So listen, first term is here a equal to minus 4, and first second third fourth fifth sixth term is given, that is a6 is equal to 6. Okay, a6 express ചെയ്യുന്ന a plus 5d. A plus 5d equal to 6. What is a? Minus 4 plus 5d is equal to 6. Then 5d equal to 6 plus 4 equal to 10. Then d equal to 10 divided by 5 is equal to 2. So the common difference d is equal to 2. Find out at first a2. So a2 equal to a plus d, that is minus 4 plus 2, that is minus 2. Next find out at a3 is a plus 2d, that is a is minus 4 plus 2 into d. D is 2. What is 2 into 2? 4. That is minus 4 plus 4. What is minus 4 plus 4? The answer is 0. Clear? So next find out the fourth term a4. A4 is a plus 3d. So here a plus 3d, that is equal to a. A minus 4 plus 3 into d, d2. That is equal to minus 4 plus 6. That is equal to 2 is the answer. That is the third time. Second day, third time. Next fourth day. Sorry, next fifth day. So fifth term is expressed as a plus 4d. That is equal to a how much? minus 4 plus 4 into d2. That is equal to minus 4 plus 8. The answer is 4. Clear? Minus 4 plus 8. The answer is 4. So, second time, third time, fourth time, fifth time. So, last write down minus 4 comma box. First box answer. First box answer minus 2 comma next box. Next box answer 0 comma next box. Next box answer 2 and last box answer. What is the last box answer? 4 and last one 6. So that is the AP. Okay, clear? Listen. Here the first term A is equal to minus 4 and it is the first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth term is 6. The sixth term is expressed as A plus 5D is equal to 6. What is A? Minus 4. Minus 4 plus 5D equal to 6. Then 5D equal to minus 4, I told number plus 4. That is 6 plus 4 is equal to 10. Then D equal to 5 multiplied right side to division. So 10 by 5 is equal to 2. So the answer, common difference is D is equal to 2. Next find out the first box, that is second time, that is A2. A2 formula A plus 1D, that is A plus D. That is minus 4 plus D, D2, minus 4 plus 2, minus 2. Next find out in this box, that is A3, third time. The formula is A plus 2D, that is A minus 4 plus 2 into D, 2 into 2. That is minus 4 plus 4, the result is 0. Next A4, that is the fourth term, find out in this box, find out. So A4, the formula is A plus 3D, that is A minus 4 plus 3 into D, D2, 3 into 2, that is minus 4 plus 6. The answer is minus 4 plus 6. What is the answer? Minus 4 plus 6. The answer is 2. Okay, plus 2. Next box and last box A5, that is what is the formula? A plus 4D, A plus A is minus 4 plus 4 into D, D2. That is minus 4 plus 8. What is minus 4 plus 8? The answer is 4. So the given AP is minus 4, minus 2, 0, 2, 4 and 6. Clear? Any doubt? Okay. So next question. So next one, fifth one, box, comma 38, comma box, again box, comma box, again box, minus 22. Listen. So here, second and first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. Second and sixth term is given. Second and sixth term is given. Here A2 equal to 38 and A6 is equal to minus 22. Here second and sixth term is given. Second term A2 is equal to 38 and sixth term is equal to minus 22. So second term is expressed as A plus D is equal to 38 is marked as equation number 1. Then sixth term is expressed as A plus 5D. Okay. Sixth term is expressed as A plus 5D, that is minus 22. It is marked as equation number 2. So these two equations are linear equation. So here the variables are A and D. So you solve by using elimination method. Okay. So here by elimination method, so 1 minus 2. Equation 1 minus equation 2. A minus A 0. What is D minus 5D? D minus 5D minus 4D. Clear? Minus 4D. Then 38 minus minus 22. What is minus 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 plus? That is 38 plus 22. 8 plus 2, 10. Remainder 1. 3 plus 2, 5 plus 1, 60. The answer is 60. Then D is equal to 60 divided by minus 4. So plus by minus, symbol minus. Okay. 1 4 4. 1 4 4. What is the root 2? Right, 20. How many times? Yes, 5 4s are 20. The answer is 50. Minus 15 is the common difference. Okay. Then first term find out. So D, put D equal to minus 15. Put D equal to minus 15. D equal to minus 15 in equation 1. In equation 1. So A plus D. What is D? Minus 15 is equal to 38. That is A is equal to 38 minus 15. Write out convert term of plus 15. Clear? So the answer is 38 plus 15. How much? 38 plus 15. 8 plus 5. 13. Remainder 1. 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 1 5. The answer is 53. So first term is the first box. What is the answer? 53. Then find out the third term, A3. So A3 is equal to formula A plus 2D. That is A. A is 53 plus 2 into D. What is D? D minus 50. So 53 plus minus 30. Plus into minus minus. 53 plus minus 30. The answer is plus 23. Okay, positive, negative. Difference in a large decimal. What is the difference? 53 minus 30. The answer is 23. Which one is large? 53 is large. What is the symbol? Plus. Okay, clear. Next find out third time. Next fourth time find out A4. So A4, what is the formula? A4, A plus 3D. Clear. A plus 3D, that is equal to A. What is A? A 53 plus 3 into D. D minus 15. Clear. So 53 plus minus 45. 53 plus minus 45. So one is positive and other is negative. So first one is the difference of 53 and 45. What is the difference? Okay. What is the difference? 13. 8. 13 minus 5. 8. Then here only 8. 8. Oh, so 8 is the fourth term. Next find out first, second, third. Okay. First, second, third, fourth. Next find out fifth term. So fifth term A5. A5 is equal to A plus 4D. That is equal to A 53 plus 4 into D. D minus 15. So here 53 plus minus 60. Okay. So what is the difference? One is positive and other is the negative. What is the difference? 60, 53, 7. Okay. Is minus 7. Okay. Minus 7. So A5 minus 7. So last write down first box, comma 38, comma next box, comma next box, comma next box, comma last number minus 22. First box answer A. So what is the answer? A 53 is the first box answer. Third box answer, the third term is 23. Then fourth term is 8. And last box the answer is minus 7. And last number minus 2, it is the AP. So listen. So here second term is given and also sixth term is also given. Second term A plus D and sixth term A plus 5D. So linear equation elimination method solve ചെയ്യുന്നു. D minus 5D minus 4D. ഇവിടെ minus 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 plus ആവും. 38 plus 22 60 ആവും. D equal to 60 divided by minus 4 plus by minus minus, that is 60 by 4 minus 50. So put D equal to minus 15 equation or equation only D value apply ചെയ്യുന്നു. So A plus minus 15 is equal to 38. A is equal to minus 15 right to convert to plus 15, that is 38 plus 15. 53. Clear? So A is 53. So first box the answer is 53. Then find out the third box, that is A3. Find out here A3 formula A plus 2D. That is A 53 plus 2 into D. D minus 15. That is 53 plus minus 30. What is the difference? 53 plus minus 30, one is positive and other is negative. The difference is 23. The large number is plus. So the given symbol also plus. The answer is plus 23. So next box find out here. The box is fourth term. So expressed as A plus 3D. That is A 53 plus 3 into D. D minus 50. So 53 plus minus 45. What is the difference? 8. Okay. Next find out fifth term. So fifth term expressed as A plus 4D. That is 53 plus 4 into D. What is D? D minus 15. So 53 plus minus 16. What is the difference? 53 and 60. The difference is 7. Large is 60. Symbol minus. Minus 7. That's right. Okay, clear? Doubt illalo? So correct ആയിട്ട് എഴുതുക. Notes correct ആയിട്ട് എഴുതണം. Okay? നല്ലോണം പഠി notes correct ആയിട്ട് എഴുതുക. Okay. Thank you.